Up Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I just want to pop on real quick just to kind of give you guys an update of where I stand on the things that you wanted to see next. Remember I did those videos of what do you want to see next, and I gave you options. I've gotten through a lot of those videos, but there are some that I have decided I'm not going to do, and that is just because they didn't get enough votes. They only got maybe 2 votes or something like that, and out of all the subscribers or watchers that I have, 2 votes is just not worth me doing the video. So just to let you know what I am not going to get to that was on the list in either of those videos. I think I pulled everything. There may be something that I forgot, but just know it's not going to be in a video. I may still use some of the products, and if I do, I'll definitely come back and tell you that's what's in my hair or tell you about it, but I'm not going to do a full video on screen for you guys. So the first combo that I'm not going to do is the She Scented Tropical Fruit Sangria combo. This is the curl enhancing jelly and the mousse. You guys weren't too interested in this, so I'm going to go ahead and nix that video. So don't be on the lookout for that. If you are one of the 2 who voted for these, I'm sorry. Hopefully some of the other videos helped you out as well, and maybe there'll be another combo later that you pick that I'll actually get to, but it just wasn't enough. Another one, and especially because remember I was talking about my hair and how I need to do what's best for it while still bringing you guys content, because I'm not sure about this flexible hold jelly glaze. It looks thick. It looked like it may hold my curls, but I'm just not positive. So, and it has xanthan gum in it, which tends to flake sometimes and things like that. So that's another reason I'm not going to use these. If I'm unsure of the product, of how I feel like the ingredients will do with my hair or the hold or whatever, and then it will make me have to redo my hair later or just do too much manipulation to it, then I'm going to stay away from it for now. The other combo or brand that I'm not going to touch right now is the Curly Chick. Remember these products? I only pulled 2 of them out, but I think I got like 5 products or something like that from this line, enough to do a whole wash day. I just pulled out the shampoo and conditioner so you know what the bottles look like. I picked these up from Target, remember, a while ago. Haven't gotten around to using them. You guys didn't seem too interested in these for whatever reason. I picked them up because they were affordable. And then, you know, everything happened with Target and people are not shopping there anymore. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and nix this video. I'm still probably going to try the products myself and I'll let you know, but I'm just not going to do it on camera. Another one that I thought that I would get more votes on this one, but I didn't. I actually got more votes on the other line, so I was shocked. And that is the Wedod Moisture Lock. I picked these up a while ago. I actually picked these up before I picked up the Coil Fusion line, and that's the line that I actually used on camera for you guys because that had more votes than this, which I'm shocked at because this is the one with the harder hold gel. So yeah, I'm not going to use these, and I'm probably not going to use these, period. So I'm going to say that I have tried enough of Wedod where I just feel like they're not for me. For my hair, I know a lot of you love them, but with that being said, I'm not going to do anything that I know probably is not going to work for my hair at this point, especially with Wedod, since I tried enough. Now this gel may work. It's a harder holding gel, so it may work, but I don't know that the leave-in would have enough moisture and things like that. I don't know if it will flake and everything. So because of that, I'm not going to use these, and I would prefer to sell these because they're brand new, never been used. So I would prefer to sell these or put these in a giveaway and let somebody who's really going to use them versus me opening them up, trying them, knowing that I'm probably not gonna like them the way I want to. And then I got stuff that's open, partially used, that I'm trying to get rid of. So I would rather just get rid of the new stuff and let somebody use it. So this is not going to be coming to you guys, period. So there you go. The other combo, or other two combos that's not going to come, I think in one of the videos I inquired about the Maracuja Defining Curl Cream and whether you guys wanted to see that. Didn't get a lot of votes. And then in another video I inquired about the Curl Origin Marula and Quinoa Pure Flaxseed Curl Defining Gel. This one didn't get a lot of votes either, which I'm shocked at. But you guys wanted to see from Curl Origin I think it was the honey and hibiscus is what you guys asked for. I can't remember. It was something else that I brought to you. But this one didn't get a whole lot of votes. And I'm unsure about this gel too. And I'm on the fence as to whether I want to try it or not. And the reason I say that is because it is in this thing. So I can't really tell how thick it is. It seems like it's a little bit thicker, but I'm not sure. Flaxseed gels tend to flake on me as well, so that may happen. But I also love a lot of Curl Origin stuff. That's why it's on this shelf over here. And a lot of things that I thought would not work for me has. So that's why I'm on the fence about this, because even though I think it may not work, it actually might. But then again, it might not, right? So this, I'm on the fence with this. I'm not going to do it on camera, but if I do decide to use it, I'll use it off camera, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what it's like. So anyway, I think those are most of the things that I asked you about that did not get a lot of votes. So these are the ones that I'm not going to do. If there was something else in the videos that I asked you about, and you haven't seen it, it's probably because it didn't get a lot of votes. But I think that I grabbed everything. I'm not sure. I just decided to do this video on a whim, and I was up here, so I didn't go to my computer and look at really what I listed in those other videos to see. But you get it. So if there is something that I was supposed to do, let me just look at something real quick. Yeah, I think that was it. If there was something that got, you know, pretty good votes and I haven't done it yet, then it will still be coming. But I think I pretty much took care of everything. What I do want to put in place of some of these is the Rizzo curls. I think you guys would be interested in that. So I think I am going to try to use those products coming up shortly. I'll put them in the place of one of these. And then some other things over here. Remember I said there's stuff that I have to break into that I've had for a while. You guys will know when I redid my room, I was saying these are the things that I know I love. I don't have to use these. I'll use these when I know I need a good hair day, blah, blah, blah. This stuff is stuff that I still want to bring to you. I still need to review, or I need to use again because I'm unsure or whatever. So I'm going to look over here and see what it is that I have not used yet that I can bring to you in place of these. But I'm not going to do a whole what y'all want to see, get this or this, because I'm going to do it based on what my hair needs at the time. Did I use protein products this week? Okay, next time I do my hair, okay, maybe what I'm gonna pull out is something that's going to be more moisturizing, that type of thing. So I don't want to say what do y'all want to see and then go in the order that you guys want to see it, and then I'm using protein or flax and xanthan gum and stuff like that I know may not work. So I do want to get to this stuff, but I'm going to get to it in a way that I think is going to be the healthiest for my hair, if that makes sense. All right guys, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I didn't want you to be saying, well, when is that video gonna come up? I voted for it, you know. So I wanted to give you guys a video explaining why things aren't going to show up and what my thought process is behind that. So hopefully you understand, and hopefully you'll still look at the content that I bring, and hopefully it'll still be helpful to you and things of that sort. So yeah guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.